So yeah, I'm basically preparing our graphic card to be tested out. As always, unplugging power is good. Just unplugging power for hard drive, and the power is good, and this is good. Okay, so let's go ahead. Some fans not spinning. That's the first thing. And it's not recognized by computer. Yeah, okay. Yep, it doesn't recognize by a computer. So to be sure, let's just do one little trick. Let's plug it straightly to a computer, and what we see. Here we go. So, computer doesn't recognize graphic card at all. Yeah, let's disassemble it and try to find a problem. So firstly, we have to unscrew screws which hold the heatsink itself, not a graphic chip. And what I see for now is basically this card probably has been opened before because I don't see a warranty stickers over here. Probably was just opened for a thermal paste replacement. Okay, this is the first thing, this is the second thing, and now graphic chip. Basically the way how I unscrew it is basically just first one, not fully unscrew it, but not fully, all of them. So it won't have a pressure at one point and not gonna damage our crystal on a GPU. Yep. Okay. It actually looks like never been opened before. But where the warranty stick if I'm asking, if you don't mind me asking. Actually, what I want to say about those graphic cards, because I had those graphic cards before, and the common problem on them actually is about the coolant system. Like you see on a pad here, like a liquid, like fatty liquid. So what about it actually? I mean, you can also see it on the chips over here and on the edges over memory chips. And the interesting thing about it, actually, not really sure if they did it on purpose or something, but what usually happens, this liquid gets under memory chips or under GPU and makes a resistor, eventually make a resistance, and GPU doesn't really communicate that well with the memory. And what usually I just cleaned it up, and actually one of them, it actually got corroded. It was a corrosion on PCI Express. And yeah, after cleaning, graphic card started working. But yeah, let's first measure everything up, and then we can tell what exactly a problem on this graphic card. So let's start from our GPU. Power to GPU is basically 1.6 when we have 1.3, 1.2, so basically the resistance of a power to GPU is 1.4, which is normal for those graphic cards. Resistance to memory, power to a memory is, come on, 21 ohms. I mean, this is not, but I mean, okay, so for my experience for those graphic cards, 21 ohms, it's pretty normal. Then, damn it again, controller, memory controller is basically 42 ohms is okay. Memory driver, I mean, PCI Express, 53 ohms, which is okay. So I don't see really abnormal problems here. Next, let's check. Not really sure how it's in English. I have to actually check it out for future. But in Russian we say предохранители. Those elements which stay between our actual power and actual graphic card. So if there's a high currency, they just burn out and don't really. I mean, either they do, either they don't make more damages to a graphic card. So let's check предохранители. Oops, what happened? Yeah, I have to buy new multimeter. It gives me a hard time. Let's start from this one. Basic. Oh, okay, here we go. Let's see. Yeah. And we have actual short over here. And let's see other two. This one is good. This one is good. And obviously we don't have shorts over here. And this is 12 volt one. So basically, not surprisingly, why I don't have really schematic for this graphic card. Just saying that not surprisingly why our graphic card doesn't recognize from a computer is because those 12 volt they power up drivers for memory and GPU, and they give a 5 volt as well over here. So that's why, not really surprisingly, why our graphic card doesn't recognize, because there is no main powers, no memory power, no GPU power. So what I'm gonna do now is basically find a short, but I have to make ready my power supply. So let's make ready my power supply, and I'll be right back. So yes, okay, I made ready my power supply, and basically let's get started. Okay, anyway, it's gonna take a bit time to warm it up. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, here looks like nothing. Okay, let's switch it over. Ouch! Yes! It is hot. Not here, somewhere here. Yeah, over here. Yeah, one of those two caps isn't short. Okay. So yeah, one of those two caps isn't short. Okay. Let me remove it and I'll be right with you. So yeah, how we can see, I did remove both of them. So this is two caps, and this is our предохранитель. Предохранитель, how we can see, just burn out, doesn't show anything. First one, and so basically it's all set. I didn't find same element as this one, so basically for now I put 0 ohm resistor, and over here I just put one capacitor because I don't really know what the second one, but for now let's leave it like this. Of course I'm gonna put a second one, but it's not that important because for 12 volts there are a bunch of other filters, and there's filters on motherboard itself. So yeah, let's test it out. So I got everything connected. Of course, before putting everything back I did check if there is any more short or other shorts. As for me, looks everything good. Yeah, of course I'm plugging out with hard drive. Okay, let's go ahead. Crystal is getting a little bit warm. And we get a picture. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Crystal is getting hot. Okay, good. So yeah, got everything connected, and I already did tested. Tester for this graphic card. Play a couple of games. Did Formula in 3D Mark. No issues were found, and yeah, no rapid temperatures or something like this. And yeah, drivers go through this card with no problem, and it's installed latest driver over here. And so yeah, I'd say we can count this graphic card fixed. Okay, thanks.